So during the winter this year, I went to Goodwill and found this cute little metal basket. And then I went in the glass area and found all these little jars that fit nicely in it. And I actually use it for my propagation area. So I don't like to have my dahlias get too long or too tall or leggy during the early growth period in the greenhouse. So I trim them. And then what I do is I cut them and I put them in water. And then I'm able to create some more dahlias. So you can see right in here where they have a weird way of actually rooting, but they have these little bumps that grow on them, and then the roots come out of the bumps. So basically what I do, here's a dahlia that needs trimming. I cut it right above a double leaf, cut it off, take that cutting, and stick it in the water, and then just leave it there. And usually within a few weeks, it is ready to go and root, and then I transplant it into a larger planter. Let's see, where's an example? Oh, the one that I just cut back. So I started this from a cutting. It's gotten big, done well. I fertilize it, even though you're not supposed to fertilize dahlias, and that's where we are with it. So I thought you'd like that tip and trick on something that you can get from Goodwill at a very low price for your propagation activities. All right, follow me as we do more tips and tricks in the garden. And today I'm going to show you the next step in uppotting propagated dahlias. So these are the tops of the dahlias that I cut off, about a month and a half ago, and you can see how they build little rhizomes on the side, and then eventually they throw off some fine roots. But what's interesting, a lot of them were doing so well that they were starting to flower, so I'll actually pinch off that flower before I uppot it. All right, follow along. And done uppotting. So I got quite a few dahlias from just cuttings.